Good morning. I gotta say, much less stressful to just have the editing for the Vlogmas to go up in the morning, because I realized, being that it's December, it's truly the best time of the year for ad revenue on YouTube. A lot of people are uploading every day, multiple times a day. So if I upload something at 8 a.m. like I was originally trying to do, it's just going to get buried by the time people are actually watching videos. That's why I've been uploading Vlogmas a little bit later in the day. And then if I do something else, then it's even a couple hours after that. Because it's just, it's very competitive right now. The subscription area of YouTube is just, it's just a war zone. So that's why I'm uploading a little bit later, so that by the time people are watching YouTube like at lunch and after work, I might still have a shot. So anyway, gonna figure out breakfast right now. Maybe I'll check, make sure there weren't any packages dropped off. I don't want them sitting out by in the snow for too long. Friggin' USPS, FedEx, UPS, DHL, whatever other Amazon Prime delivery services, they've all been going crazy because Black Friday was Friday. It's Thursday now? So like Tuesday, Wednesday was probably the most for all the Amazon Prime stuff, but then over the next couple of days there's still all of the non-Prime things that are getting delivered from Black Friday. So they're really going overtime. Like, I think the mail didn't come for like a very long time, and they've just been out. Like, even through the night, you just like driving around, you just see like in darkness, like the friggin' mail trucks and stuff. Crazy. There was in fact a package sitting there by the front. I'm still waiting on one more thing. I ordered a couple of things on Black Friday for Jamie for Christmas. I still need to do shopping for everyone else, but at least I got some of the biggest parts of stuff for Jamie out of the way. I realized there's all this baby spinach that needs to get eaten, and I actually have leftover, kind of like a Thousand Island, I guess, I made last night for the chicken. It was just vegan Hellman's mayo, ketchup, relish. I think I put a little bit of mustard in there just for the hell of it. Some paprika. That's about it. It's just like a little dipping sauce, but I'll use it as a dressing for the spinach. Pretty lit. I wish I had some chickpeas. Chopped up the spinach a little bit. It's very sad looking. Yes, I know. Sorry, it's not Instagram worthy. I could have done more, but it's literally just for me, so I just don't care. And yes, I'm definitely going to have to make another blade of this or have something else, because all it is leaves. But hey, at least I'm getting those greens in, right? Nah, you know what? It looks pretty good, actually. And a little black pepper. There you go. Looking pretty good. Whew, my phone's about to die. So Vlogmas Day 4 is up now. I just got that all done. About to have some leftover sweet potatoes. They didn't have any butter, so I put some brown sugar on it. Maybe I'll put some cranberry sauce next to it. I don't know, but my phone's about to die, so no time to stop and think about it. I just finished an Amberlynn reaction to her Vlogmas today, which was her Vlogmas day 5. Pretty lit. I don't know when that's going up, but you should definitely check that out, dog. But it's an overcast day. Maybe I should light up the tree. What do you guys think? All right. Give me the old Clark Griswold. There we go. Oh yeah. Take a gander at that. Oh, we need to put this guy up here. Do we have like an angel or something we have? I don't remember. I don't know what the thing is. Look at this guy I just saw hanging here. Very festive room. How about that? Great job, Mom. The window really kind of ruins it right now. Some people like to do themed trees, which I guess I understand if like you really don't have like a ton of ornaments and you just like, it's just for looks. Really, like if you just, especially if you've got like a giant house with multiple trees or something, because I know people like to do that, then like, okay, yeah, whatever. But I'm not, like, who's too good for freaking colored lights? You ever see a tree with just the white lights and it's just like, come on. Where's the fun? Like, the pink and the blue and the green and all that, it just looks so nice. There's bubble lights. Look, one of them's already going. This is what I like. I like a full, all different colors, like a nice hectic tree. You know? So I know no one really cares about this, I'm sure, but Linus Tech Tips, the channel, if you've ever heard of them, just uploaded an absolute just flex on everybody. They uploaded an 8K, 8-hour Christmas Yule log, which is an insane, like the file they uploaded must have been absolutely gigantic. This, like, the internet's so bad in this room it can't even handle it. But this is a 4K. This is a 4K TV. This is a gigantic 4K TV. Must be nice, right? I don't get to use it very much, but yeah, I mean the Wi-Fi literally can't even handle streaming the 4K. I have it set to 4K because that's what the TV is. Literally can't keep up with it because it's so bad in this room. But if you actually go to look at, if you yourself actually go and watch this video, it is so crisp. It's a shame that it literally can't. I had it load for like 10 minutes and it's just like, it just couldn't do it. It's really funny. But wow, that must have been a gigantic video file. Wow. Hey, I'm making some dinner. I didn't get to show you because I was just chatting on the phone with Jamie because she's got out of work. She's on her way over. But I cut up some onions and garlic. Boom. And boom. And gonna saute that and some of the spinach. I guess all of it. I don't know. And then with olive oil, and then put it on pasta. Which, it was, I didn't go to the store or anything. It was just stuff that we already had here. It was ziti. Maybe not the most preferable choice for some spinach and onion for the shape, but, it'll do. That'll do. Donkey. Let me set this all up. Onions and garlic are going. I just tested one of these and it actually cooks a lot faster than I thought, so let me go ahead and strain that. And I'll let this go a little bit more, then I'll throw in the spinach. Whew. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I thought it would. Some of the little garlic pieces kind of toasted in the process of that, but I'm not complaining. You know, I like a little variety of texture. These are great. I put a little olive oil on them so they don't stick together. Yes, I heavily pre-salted the water before. I'm gonna keep this moving. And I'm going to end up probably Once this sauteing slash now slightly toasting action is done, I'm gonna throw the noodles, the pasta, into here. Cook that up a little bit more, toss it around, you know, just fully immerse it. Cleaning up as I go. Cleaning up as I go, that is the key. Okay, well now everything is just suffocating under the nudes, them noodles. So let me start turning this over. Not shown, I added some olive oil. Quick change of plans. I guess there was some kind of, I think a fire or something going on some road. Jamie was having a hard time getting from her work to me, but she was able to figure out how to get home. So she's going home now. I will meet her there. I'll bring the dinner. I added a little more olive oil, some salt, just tossed around a little bit more, let it sit for a couple minutes. If I ever cook something, I'll always like to just leave it where it is and just let it sit, kind of settle itself, because it's too hot to like eat. And so it's also just going to be just bellowing out water vapor, and it's just going to lose a lot of moisture. Things are going to be like sticking together if you start like moving it too much. So I let it sit there, do its thing, and it has done that. And I'll bring this over to Jamie's, and I think that'll about be the night. I don't know. Yes, I made tons of pasta. There's a lot of extra. Jamie could bring it for lunch tomorrow. I could have it for breakfast tomorrow, because I have no standards for what breakfast is. Okay, it's time to read out a couple of comments from the last Vlogmas. These are from Vlogmas Day 4, what I actually do all day. Let's take a look at what y'all said. Slinky Whippet, quote, "I am a wet girl, I need moisture." WiLLo Davis, December 2019. That's a great quote. That's a yearbook quote right there. Thank you. Angel Young says, "The relaxed jazzy music makes these vlogs even better." Thank you so much. Yeah, there weren't that many like Christmassy songs on the like royalty-free YouTube music database that I looked at. So I was like, you know what's Christmassy? Just some chill jazz music that's very Christmassy. Goblin says, "When you contemplated putting the cranberry sauce in your oatmeal, it must have been the spirit of Chef Lynn taking over your mind, LOL. True, maybe. It was good on the sweet potatoes, though." Shannon McGriff says, "Waking up to coffee with WiLLo. Thank you for that." Oh, no problem. That sounds pretty nice. That must be nice. I haven't had coffee in a while. I've just been having gamer subs. Angela Dawn says, "Weird, my in-laws used to have a gray tabby named Dewey. Loves the Rod Stewart. Have a super day." Thank you, Angela Dawn. Man, Dewey, what a great name for a freaking tabby, am I right? Kay says, "I always do the max raid battles by myself too. They just seem to go faster and more smoothly, LOL. True. Yeah, I just feel bad that I'm gonna like have just brought the wrong Pokemon for it and just not help out at all. Yeah, and then you have to wait for them to figure out their thing, and it's a battle between who gets to do the Dynamaxing. And Sid Vicious says, "Love watching your vlogs on my lunch break every day. Especially love the food for vegan ideas. No matter how simple. Would love you to make more complex recipes too." Maybe, if I can think of something good. I Dream in Pink says, "You're a cool guy. Glad you're uploading more. Hope this all works out for you. As long as you put out vids, I'll continue to watch." Thank you very much. I'm trying. I'm really trying. Adrienne Rivera says, "Dinner looked good, but plated wrong. You're supposed to put the broccoli on the rice, then corn, nuggets on top, pyramid style." Yeah, I failed the Amberlin delicious recipe guide. Charlotte says, "Loving Vlogmas so far. By the way, just a tip, During my cooking internship, I was taught to cut the pomegranate in half, but horizontally as opposed to from the floury part. Then you put a half in your hand, seed side down, grab a spoon, and whack the seeds out. Hope this helps. That's a good idea, thank you. Interesting. Ev Ramble says, you put the eyeliner because you can, LOL. True. I think you're right. Sandra says, why did I forget pomegranates existed almost, LOL? I haven't had one in years, probably. Wow. Yes, they're like hard. Well, I mean, it's during the winter that you can actually get them, like, ripe. Otherwise, they're just, like, these, like, sad, tiny things. But, yeah, grab one. Meshia says, what kind of oatmeal situation type deal was that? Oh, just old-fashioned oats. Like, I think they're, like, store brand, whatever store I brought it from. Nothing fancy. Just the basic. Christine Boyce says, what kind of fabric softener do you use? I'm trying to switch to cruelty-free products. I actually don't have an answer for that. I usually just use whatever laundry detergent is just already in my house that, like, I guess my mom already bought. If it's running low, I'll go to the store and I just pick out... all the ones that are cruelty-free are in a different aisle than the actual laundry detergent, which is really annoying. It ends up being near all, like, the, like, natural soaps and stuff for some reason in, like, the store by me. I wish I could think of the names now. It's like the same brand that makes, like natural soaps and stuff, like Dr. something. I think they have, detergent. I don't know if they do fabric softener or not. Yeah, I don't know. I don't do enough laundry. Claire Bear says, I think pre-shucked would be a good way to talk about pomegranates. True. Or like seeded or something. Kara Moat says, please sing Little Drummer Boy. Maybe. Kaylee says, search Jamie Oliver pomegranate on Google. Shows you how to de-seed a pomegranate in a few seconds with barely any effort. Been doing this for years and it always works. I'll have to check that out. Thank you. There's another pomegranate left, so I have to try that out. Everamble says, is your family ever home when you're doing videos? Sometimes. If they are, I'll just do stuff in my room. I don't like to be public about things. Kay Rissa says, losing the most heat from your head is because on winter days, your legs, arms, feet are all covered. Whatever isn't is where you'll lose the most heat, i.e. your head. At least that's what I understand. That makes sense. Thank you. Barmy B says, I'm not vegan, but the corn crispy nuggets are better than normal chicken nuggets, and I buy them as a treat to make a McDonald's fake-away. Don't know if you have the corn brand in U.S., yeah, we do. I don't think it's all vegan unless they've recently changed that. A lot of the companies that weren't entirely vegan are like changing. I don't know if corn has yet. I know they have I think eggs in their stuff sometimes. But nice. A nice fake away instead of takeaway. I get it. All right, so that'll do it for this. Gotta go ahead and get started on the next Vlogmas. Be sure you comment down below. Maybe you'll end up in the little comment of the day at the end of these vlogs, all through Vlogmas. And hey, stay holly and jolly. I'll see you next time. WiLLo Davis, out.